All right, hey guys, I'm going to make another tutorial for how to access your work this week because we have some new friends that have joined us on our online work. I am having to record it on my phone because the student account does not let me download how I film normally. So this is from a student account. So all you will do is you will sign on and you will click Google Chrome. And then you can click up here in this corner is where I was talking about is that chalkboard with that person. And some people have it and some people don't. So if you do, you can click that. If you don't, you can click these 9 dots right here. And then you can click Classroom. And then it will take you to a page where you can see all the classrooms you're in. So you will look for mine and you will click it. And then it will take you to the stream. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is walk you through the stream. So each day your resources for ELA and math will be up top. All right. And you can use those to help you on your work, on your notes, anything to help you. All right. And then as you continue to scroll, you're always going to have that stuff of makeup work. So this is page, if you click on it, it's going to take you to the page to show you what you have not completed this week. All right. So if it's green, that means you're good. If it's red, it shows you what you are missing. All right. So make sure you get on here and make sure you look what you owe me and then figure out. Right here, if you notice, these are blue and hyperlinked. You notice that we haven't done day 14 or day 15, so it's not on there. So if you say you need math notes, you can click here and it will open the e-learning template page. And then again, you can access all the hyperlinks from there. All right. So that is one way to access those templates quickly. Or you can go back to our stream and scroll down and find the page. So here's today. It says day 13. There's the Google template. All right. If you keep scrolling, you'll find yesterday's, day 12. All right. So everything stays on this stream. All right. How to access all your classwork through Google. All right. Same thing. You're going to come to our Google Classroom page, and then you're going to click classwork. This is where you will see all your work. So as you see, day 11, writing and math, day 12, writing and math, and day 13. So when you click on any of these, so say we didn't do day 11 math notes, we're going to click here. And then we can click on this Google Doc right here. So, or we can click View Assignment. So if you want to click View Assignment, that is where you will find this Turn In button. Okay. So your notes of what you need to do is here. You do not need to add or create. Your work is already assigned to you every single day. Do not delete this. Do not add anything. Okay. You just click on the Google Doc and it will open. All right. And then you fill it in along with the video. So if I go day 11, this is what I'm talking about when I have the notes open. So I have the notes open here. And now I'm going to go find my video for math. So I'm going to click lesson 11. It's going to take me to the YouTube video. We're getting into our second week of math for our e-learning. So as I fill things out on here, I'm going to pause. And then I'm going to go back here and write it. So I suggest you do that because you don't want to watch this whole video and then come back and be like, oh, what do I put here? Okay. And then guess, because if you guess, I'm going to return it because I know that you didn't watch the video. Okay. Watch the video and do the notes before you do the Edge Elastic assignment. Okay. These notes are for the Edge Elastic assignment. So make sure you pay attention to that. All right. And then when you are done, when you come here, you do not need to share with me. Okay, you exit out, it saves it, you go back here and you click Turn In. Okay, and then you will do that with every single thing on Google Classroom. All right, so say we're looking at day 11. We started out on day 11. Morning meeting is pretty simple. I don't think I need to explain that. Edge Elastic, all you're doing, you're clicking Edge Elastic. And then you're going to click login and you're going to log in with Google. That's pretty simple. We've done it before. Word work. You need to watch the video, click the Google Doc, and then fill it out and submit. Writing, same thing. Watch this video of me doing it first. And then I always give you an example. So here is an example. And if you need to ask me a question, as you saw that come up, type me a message and I will get a notification. All right. There's my example. Here's where you type yours. Okay. And then our math. Watch the video and the notes and then go to Edulastic. You can reach Edulastic through here. All right. And then your PE and art stuff is here if you would like to do that. Okay. So I hope this will help you understand how to access things each day. Again, the templates are here if you want to go to it quickly. All right. Make sure you ask me if there's any questions. Each day, again, there's makeup work. That's where you ask questions about the work. If you're finished, you email me. Do not comment on things, okay? This is where I tell people that they are done. So I'll show you really quick how to email. Okay, so exit out, start a new Google tab. All you got to do is click that Gmail button right there, okay? That is how you check to see if I emailed you anything back, okay? So look, you get notified when I give announcements, okay? When I put things on Google Classroom, all right? You can hit compose and type in my email address if you know it. If you do not know it or you're scared that you're going to mess it up, go back to Google Classroom, click on my page, and then you're going to need to find one of the days that has our template, and you can click the email link, my email address. It's going to take you straight back to where we were, except it's going to go ahead and open up an email. And then you can type and hit send. So you don't even have to worry about typing the email address in wrong. All right. That is how you tell me when you're done. You do not need a comment. You need to email me. And then I will put your name under the finished students. Okay. So I hope this helps you. I hope this clears up any confusion we're having. And if you have any questions, email me.